Hello students, we have already finished the two parts of the story is the Lion, the King of the Beasts. Today we will start the last part at the part C. Now take out page number 54. So till now we have read about the lion, the rhinoceros, the elephant, the water buffalo. Now the end part. Let's start. Yet the lion is a strong and powerful animal. Lions are great hunters. There are many other animals who are also called hunter animal. Like lion, some other animals like tiger, leopard, wolf, they are also called the hunter animal. The lion does not hunt for sport. He hunts for food. সিংহরা খেলার জন্য কোনো শিকার করে না. They only hunt for their own food. He eats the kill fully, then he kills another animal. He first eats the previous kill which he hunt, and then he goes for the next kill. This is a characteristic of a lion. In Africa, each lion kills about one animal each month for food. In Africa, the African lions are very ferocious, but they never eat regularly. They never go for a hunt. They only go when they finish their previous hunt. So when the lion is not hungry, he is quite friendly to other animals. This is also a characteristic of a lion, that he is quite friendly when he is not hungry. Most of the hunting is done by the mother lion. The father lion makes the animals run towards the waiting mother who does the killing. So they follow certain method of hunting. They both plan for the hunting. The father lion or the lion, they always hunt. They always makes the animals run towards the mother lion who is waiting somewhere, and she does the actual hunting. So this is the method of hunting. So this much for the part 3. We have ended our story is the Lion, the King of the Beasts. You all read the 3 parts very carefully. Now just take out your pencil and we will underline the rest part of our tough spelling. Now start. Strong, powerful, sport, hungry, quiet, quite friendly, quiet. Friendly we have already underlined in the second part. Then waiting. This much for today's student. So you all read the chapter very carefully and try to practice some next sentence of these underlined words. So this much for today. So thank you. Stay well. Stay at home.